Oh no! Oh fucking no! Fucking okay. Little electric biker there was swerving with them headphones. I think he's confused as to what the fuck he is riding. Anyway, ladies and gents, hello, welcome to another vlog. And on this one we're cruising, doing all right. It's what do you call it? Nobody knows what day it is. Let's call it a Thursday. Let's call it a Thursday. Actually, no, let's call it a Wednesday. I think Wednesday would be more appropriate since that's also honest. Oh boy. This guy is driving slow. Fucking amateur. Fucking amateur. And we're in traffic, so that's why this vlog will not be televised. Because nobody gives a fuck. Yeah, how about that vlog? Fucking splitting the whole goddamn time. Fuck it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I legitimately have no idea what I'm gonna do. Nothing. Oh no! Oh fucking no! That is bad. That is bad news. That is bad news. Savagery. It's fucking savagery. Look at this terrible sight. This is not my bike. It's a Harley I've seen parked around here. And it's knocked over. I'm not even sure what to do. I'm not gonna pick it up, obviously, because it could be damaged. But damn. Look at this terrible sight. This is not my bike. It's a Harley I've seen parked around here. And it's knocked over. And the worst part is that it had to be some douchebag pulling out of this driveway or something, because the kickstand is on this side, so it was kicked over that way. But there's not even the parking spot right here. People are fucking assholes.